So if you want to set up your footer in Shopify, well, this one is really easy. Now, first things first, you want to go to Shopify.com and just log into your account. Now, in here, you want to go to Online Store, you want to go to Teams, and you want to go and click on Customize. Now, first thing that we need to understand here is how footers actually work in Shopify. Now, the thing with footers here is if you change the footer on one page, the other footer on other pages as well will be updated. So it's going to be pretty much the same thing on any page here. So you don't have to worry about editing every page here or the footer for every page. It will be automatically applied on those pages. Now, how do you edit this one? Well, as you can see right now, I have like two sections here. That's going to delete the email sign up, extra email sign up here. But what you need to do is you want to go and just start adding whatever information that you want to use in here. Let's go and click on add section here under the footer section. And you'll have the option to add a custom liquid. So if you want to add like certain custom liquids, or if you want to generate something using AI here, or add an app in here, this is how you do it. But if you scroll section here, so you have footer, you can go and expand that, and you should now have the add block option. Now, if you do click on add block here, you now have additional options that you could use, like menu, brand information, text, and image. Now, depending on what you're targeting, so if you want to add like information about your brand, you can go and click on brand information here, and basically describe or add your brand information if you want. Now you can also add like social media icons in here. You can go and click on manage social icons here, and from here you should be able to see like social medias at the website here. Like you go and add like your social media for Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or whatever. And once you're done that, you can go and click on save. But let's go and go back one page here. So let's go and click on the sections again. Now, in here, you also have the option to basically add other sections as well. So if you hover over brand information, you should see the plus button. So you go and press on it and add other sections here. Like if you want to add like text, images, you can go and do that. But let's go and just choose menu here. Now, under menu, you should be able to basically add links or quick links for this one. So you can go and just change this to whatever you want. Like if you want to make this bold, you can go and make it bold, as you can see right now. Now, also, you'll have the option to go to the menu section. Now, by the way, there are different menus that you could choose from. So we have headers, we have main menus, and we also have footer menus. Usually, footer menus, this is where you could basically add links for, like, let's just say policies or whatnot. If you want to add a contact us page, about us page, this is how you do it. Now, typically, once you've done this, you go and click on just go and save. And let's go and click on exit at the top left here. And in here, let's go ahead and go to the section for settings. Now, in here, let's go ahead and choose policies. Now, in here in the policies section, you can go and just start setting this up, like your terms of service, shipping policy, and whatnot here. Like, let's go and click on the terms and refund policy. And let's go and just add a test here as an example and click on publish. And once you have that, you can go and just go back. Let's go and click on next at the top right. Now, if you want to set your links, like what I said before, there are certain sections that you need to modify here, your menus. So you want to go to content, you want to go to menus, and you want to look for footer menu here. Let's go and choose this one. Click on it. Click on add menu item. And you can go and just add the label here. Let's go and click on the link section here so that we can choose our page. Now let's go and choose pages here and look for one that we could use. Let's go and choose contact page. Let's go and click on the check here. Click on add menu again. Click add the label here. Let's go ahead and maybe choose one policies. And let's go and choose the refund policy like we just added. Let's go ahead and click on the check to add this one. Let's go and click on save. Now, once you save this, let's go and click on online store. Click on the eye icon here to view our store here. And you'll see that's now updated. Now, this will now include like the pages that we just added, like the contact, the refund policy, or whatnot here. So you can go and just click on that. As you can see right now, that's the information that we need. So yeah, obviously there are a lot more things that you could do in here, like images. You have the option to add certain text if you want to, and other ways to really customize your footer menu. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.